Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your PIN in Green Crypto Wallet application. First of all, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on your device and log into your wallet. After that, click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can see a settings icon again. Click on Settings tab and you'll find the option named Change PIN and click on it. After that, type the new PIN here and verify your new PIN once again. After verifying, click on Continue button and your PIN will be changed. So that is how you can change your PIN in Green Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.